Welcome, in this video I will show you how to safely change the band of your Apple Watch Ultra 3. First, place the watch face down on a soft, smooth surface so that your watch doesn't slide on it, and you can safely press it from the other side and not to damage the screen. And the next step is locating the release buttons on both sides of your watch. What you have to do is carefully press one of them with your fingernail until you feel that you're pushing this button, and once you feel that, start moving the band from the same size to one of the sides. Start moving the band that is located on the button side to either left or right. It doesn't really matter. All that matters is that you do it carefully, and this way you will remove one side of the band. To remove the other, hold down the release button on the other side and then move the band to the side from the other side. And once you remove it, you can release the button. After that, to apply a new band safely, in my case I'm just gonna apply this very same band. What you're gonna have to do is align the slot to the band. To do it easily, you have to simply watch the info on your band, on the edge of your band. It should be facing up, so in my case I should apply it this way. Just carefully try to put it inside and then slightly push it inside until you feel the distant click. Okay, and now do the same from the other side. And right now the new band is applied. And that's how you do it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.